Len. Come on. We're going to be late. Come on. Hurry up.
Minnie, I'm coming. Hold on.
Whoa. All aboard! Yay! Can't wait.
Minnie.
Huh?
Ah!
Welcome to the haunted train. Watch the engine run. Get on board and get ready. It's time we had some fun. Broken rails, do not fret. Let me be your host.
Ooh.
Sit upright and hold on tight. The motorman's a ghost.
Why are we in this train, Minnie? I don't understand.
Watch out! The lights are flashing, Len. And is that a hand?
Huh?
The mummy's tube is broken and cracked. The window panes are gone.
Got you!
The railroads twist, twirl and bend to the wicked night horn.
Let's try to stop this train, Len. Let's open that door. What's that? Oh my gosh! Is that a skeleton on the floor?
Minnie, let's get off this train.
It's a dark and a spooky night. Here are creatures hide. The train is haunted and you know it. This was a crazy ride.
I'm never, ever, ever coming with you on these haunted adventures, Minnie.
Tell me, wasn't it fun though?
Yeah, it was.
Wow! Totally wicked!